how to start selling on Etsy. First, we visit Etsy's website. Then click on Sell on Etsy. We click on Open your Etsy shop. After, we fill in the necessary personal information. This section is on information about your shop. And first, what language to use? We choose English because it is the most popular. Select shop countries and shop currency. We select US dollar. Then I choose describe myself, full time, part time, or something else. I will choose full-time jobs. And next, we name the shop. You can write name your shop and check availability. Okay, after check availability, you say and continue. Stock your shop. And next, we will upload a product to our shop. Upload image related to the product. Then we should care about it because it also determines whether the user should buy a product or not. Then we continue to fill in other information for the product, like the title, who makes this product. It can be done by yourself, an individual, or a company you have hired. Time for what time periods? Time from what time periods? Okay. Continue to fill in the information for the categories. Which category it will be in, so that when customers search, it will be prioritized to display. Okay, we should pay attention to the important information with an asterisk. Those are must-have information. Clothing style, occasions, and renewal options. I will choose automatic or manual for renewal options. It means you will automatically renew, or you have the right to renew your product or not. And next, we describe our product so that customer can better understand the product. Next, fill in the information for the tags and materials. Tag, I write black colors, something related to your product, and materials. Okay, and the next important part is the price for the product. and the quantity of the product, and the SKUs in our product management cost. We can add variation to the product. Next is the shipping part. Domestic shipping, delivery time. Okay, and after completing on the basic informations, we click on Save and Continue. Okay, I will write again. Okay, save and continue. And next, I will try the PayPal options. And it is required that you have a PayPal account, or you can create your own. So basically, to this step, we have completed the step posting a product on the Etsy market. Hopefully, through this video, you can understand the basic of how to sell on Etsy. Good luck to you.